Hello everybody, today we make a pizza rustica, and this pizza rustica is good for yeast. At the start we got a flour over here. I got a 2.5 cups. I got salt, 1 teaspoon salt. I need 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons oil. Okay, now I got the water over here, it's a little warm. This is for the yeast. The yeast I use 1 tablespoon, like this. But you gotta stay the yeast like a couple of minutes, that's all. Now, so you don't wanna do it by hand, and you got a machine, you can do it with a machine. And we put all this with the yeast right inside. Now, I got over here 1 cup of water, but this it gotta be not too soft and not too hard. Maybe you don't need all the water, make sure. If it's too soft, I got the flour right over there, and you can put more flour. Now, if it's too stick in your hands, wet with a little water. Okay, now this mix really good. Now what I gotta do, I gotta split. 1 piece for the bottle of the little tin where you gotta make, and 1 piece you gotta go on the top, and a half. I put a little flour on the dish, like this. I split, this it's one, and we put it right over here. Little flour on the top. This is the second one, and we put it right over here. Put a little flour on the top. This you gotta cover with a saran wrap. Okay, now we leave it grow the pizza dough for 1.5 hours for room temperature. Now we gotta start to cut everything on a small cube. And I got over here the prosciutto, capicola, ham, soprasado. Okay, now we gotta cut the casacavallo. Slice like this. Okay, after I gotta cut the same like a cube. If you don't find this cheese gets harder to find, you can use the Parmigiano cheese or pecorino cheese or different kind of cheese. It's okay. Okay, I cut a little bit of the ricotta and we put it together everything. Now I want to cut the mozzarella the same way I cut everything on a little cube. Okay, I got everything over here. The only thing we gotta do is the eggs. I want to scramble a little bit. And we put a little black pepper with no salt. Okay, everything I got over here, everything is salty. And we mix my eggs. And the only thing I gotta do, I gotta leave only a little bit for me. Can't eat, I gotta brush my pizza. Okay, now it's time to mix all together, everything. Make sure the mix is really, really good, okay? Okay, I got this pan. Make sure to put a little oil, or you can use butter, but to make it all the way around on the bottom, like this is the pizza not stick. You can use a brush if you want, or paper towel, but with a paper towel, I'm sure I go every place. Okay, now we start with the pizza dough, and we put a little flour, and we take the pizza. Okay. And we roll. Now, I want to roll the bag big enough, okay, you gotta fit on this pan over here. Now, let's put it right over here, and we gotta make sure, I gotta go down. Okay, now it's the time to put all the stuff inside. You gotta be packed really, really good. Now we flat the parts over here, even. Okay, now we do the other piece. This we flatten up and we put right on the top. And make sure the big nice cover the bottom one. I want to cut off a little bit of the extra pizza. Okay, now we put a little eggs all over the place. Okay, give a nice color. Stick it together. We close this all the way around. I put little eggs on the crust. I got the oven at 400 degrees, but I want to make it with the fork a little hole, because like this, everything breathe better and cook inside much better. And now, you gotta go in the oven for 1 hour. Okay, my pizza roast gets 1 hour, and let's take out. And look how beautiful look this. Okay, now this, you gotta cool off for a couple hours after we test. Oh, boy, I can't wait to eat this nice pizza rustico, un bello di pizza. E adesso è così saprete, so delicious. Oh, look how good it is. Really good. And I want to say, Buona Pasqua e Happy Easter to everybody. Salute.